Quacking duck. Quincy the duck couldn't quite quack like all the other quacking ducks. Oh, he could say, but it never seemed just right. When Quincy tried to quack quietly, his quack came out loudly. When he tried to quack slowly, his quack came out quickly. Quincy just couldn't quack right. One day, Quincy was practicing quacks. His friend Quip quacked along with him. "Repeat after me," said Quip. But Quincy quacked back. Quincy still couldn't quack quite right, but Quincy kept quacking. He said, "I won't quit until I quack like the best quackers around." Can you show Quincy how quacking ducks quack?